channel does not promote any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. We declare that some of the contents are taken from social medias. If you find any mistake or copyright violation in our contents, please feel free to contact us through contact@cyberalphabet.in or comment below. We will definitely solve the issue. Thank you.
Hi. Welcome to CyberAlphabet. Today, we are going to explore the basic CSRF attack. Cross-site request forgery is a web security vulnerability that allows an attacker to induce users to perform actions that they do not intend to perform. It allows an attacker to partly circumvent the same origin policy, which is designed to prevent different websites from interfering with each other. Let's start the attack. This attack is demonstrated on DVWA. If you don't have DVWA, check the description for the step-by-step tutorial to set up Metasploitable and DVWA. This is just a basic demo. Let's explore the different methods in future videos. These are some methods to defend CSRF attack. If you have any doubts, comment below or join our Telegram channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.